Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right account to change settings. This avoids permission errors. Once confirmed, open Settings, then Ease of Access on Windows or Accessibility on Mac OS. Make sure you navigate to the Keyboard or Interaction section where Sticky Keys lives. Don't linger. Locating the option is the first actionable step. This matters because different OS versions place it in slightly different menus. Once you've found Sticky Keys, be ready to change switches and explain why each toggle matters for input behavior. Now you disable Sticky Keys and the shortcut that triggers it. Typically press Shift 5 times so it won't re-enable unexpectedly. Toggle off any secondary options such as audio feedback or modifier key locking. Make sure to apply or save changes. On some systems you must sign out, restart the keyboard driver, or reboot to fully clear the state. If you use external keyboards, disconnect and reconnect them. Once done, test by holding modifiers and typing to confirm normal behavior is restored. Finish by verifying. Press Shift, Control and Alt together and type to ensure keys behave normally. If Sticky Keys keeps returning, make sure accessibility settings weren't synced from a cloud profile. Disable sync or change settings in the cloud. Update keyboard drivers and check for OS updates because driver quirks can re-enable behavior. If problems persist, reset accessibility preferences or create a temporary user to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip. If the shortcut still triggers, remove the shortcut binding instead of only toggling the feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.